Welcome to codecanvas, your go-to destination for the web development. Whether you are just starting your journey or looking to level up your skills, you are in the right place. I will guide you through the building blocks of the web with tutorials on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, WordPress, and many more. Each designed to make complex topics simple and fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an update. Let's code the web together. In today's video, we will explore one JavaScript function to simplify Unix path. Suppose you have one Unix path as this forward slash home slash where slash dot slash www and so. So if you want to simplify this Unix path, this is something how it should be. Right? So you can create one simple JavaScript function to create such simplified Unix path. So to simplify a Unix style absolute file path in JavaScript, you can use a stack based approach. This involves splitting the path by forward slash, processing each part and reconstructing the simplified path. Let's see how we can do it. So let me copy this string as an input string. So let first of all I will uh, make it string is equal to this string. Okay. I will also create one function. Let's give the name is simplify path is equal to, here we will pass path, the Unix path, right? And what we can do, we can call this function and we can pass our string here. Okay, now see how this function we can build in order to simplify the Unix path. Okay, first of all, let's use split function. So constant parts is equal to path dot split, and we will split by forward slash. And what we can do, we can log to see what it is returning. It is returning the array, right, with the elements like empty string home. So it will split this string into this array. Okay, now let's create one loop, a for loop constant part of parts. So we will loop through these parts, that array. We will add few conditions here. First condition, if part triple equal to empty, if part is empty string, or part triple equal to string dot. So what this condition is checking here, let me explain that. So what we can do, continue, right? So what this condition is doing here, skip empty, or if it is current directory. So we are checking if this part is empty, this part. So this is empty here. When you look through these parts, you will see this empty string. So when it is empty or it is current directory, so dot means current directory, we will simply continue, we will skip, right? Okay, else if, second condition will be if part. So we will check all the conditions with this part because we have this loop. If part is triple equal to dot dot, what we can do here, we can create one variable here. Let's create one variable, let stack, and let's keep it an array, empty array. So stack, what we can do here, stack dot pop. So it will remove the last element from the array. Okay. So what this condition is doing here, if this part value is dot dot, it means you have to go to one directory up. So here go up one directory. Okay, so we are pushing, we are not pushing here, we are removing one element from the last element from the array. Okay, so this is else if, and last condition we will use is else. If both these conditions are not satisfied, then we will push stack dot push, and what we will push here, part, whatever string, whatever element we are getting here, we will simply push it. So this is valid directory name. So these are the conditions that we need to check. So if you see here, this empty string, the first one, if this is dot dot here, then it will simply go to one directory up, else it will push this part or the element into this empty stack. Okay, so this is the three conditions here, right? So out of this for loop, we can simply return this function with forward slash plus our stack element, stack variable dot join, and we will join by forward slash. Okay, so let's see what it is returning. So we have this log, let me remove this, and now it is returning home where HTML and SQL. So it will not return www because we have this dot dot here. It means go to the parent directory here. Skip, or no, this one go to one directory up. So that's why this will ignored, and this is the expected output, right? So it seems this simple function will cover up almost all the scenarios. Okay, what we can do here with this string, let me copy it and let's create string number 2 and check out few more use cases. Okay, so this is the simple slash home slash, and try to run here, or we can do copy and simply check again. It will return slash home, and that's fine, that's a correct one. Let str3 is equal to, let's create one string path. Let's keep it slash a slash dot slash b dot dot. So it should be with slash dot dot slash dot dot slash c slash, and see what is this function is returning here. Okay, so we have something a, yeah, this is correct, right? Because we have this parent directory two times, and that's why it is returning slash c. Okay, let str4 is equal to in string slash dot dot slash. This is interesting. Let's see what it is returning here. String number 4, it is returning slash, right? Because it will ask you to go up one directory, and that's why it is slash. Okay, let str5, let's keep it slash home something slash. Okay, and it should return slash only because we have two slashes here, right? Okay, let str6 is equal to slash a slash b slash c slash d dot double dot, and let's see what it is returning. So let's keep it okay, so 5 home something. Yeah, so I didn't check it right. So here it will return home slash something because it will remove this double slash, and with this we can check with string 6, and it will return slash a slash b slash c, and this is expected output, right? It's a simplified Unix path. Okay, so here is the explanation how it works. Here's the three major conditions. Dot means current directory. It means ignore it. Dot means go up one level and remove the last element from the stack. Okay. If empty strings from multiple slashes like this, we are talking about this use case, then ignore. And if valid directory means push it here to our stack. So that's all. Using these three conditions, you can simplify Unix path. All right. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web development tricks and tips. Drop your questions or suggestions in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Keep coding, and I will see you in the next video.